Say, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Say, brother.
Brother.
Say, I love you.
Love you, brother.
Stop press that button to make a picture.
Who said I was making a picture?
Take a picture.
They don't take pictures.
You are taking pictures.
No, I'm not. Who said?
And why are you sharing the camera at me?
Because the camera's at you, that's why. Ooh, you got a big booger in your nose. Ew.
Where?
No, over there. Over there.
Where? Point it.
I don't know.
Right here?
No. No. Gross.
Nuh-uh. That's not really a booger.
Say something, Sean. Arr, I'm really hungry. Sean. Talk to me. Are you ready for graduation?
Yes.
You ready to graduate?
Yes.
Did you pass?
Graduate what?
Kindergarten.
That's what?
Kindergarten, hello.
No.
You didn't pass to the first grade?
Not yet.
You're such a dummy. Who's your teacher?
But Wally Upton.
Why are you making that voice?
Because.
Because of why?
Because.
Let me see your teeth. You're still missing one in the front.
Yes.
Sean, how old are you?
6 years old.
Where do you go to school?
Ingleside.
Ingleside what?
Ingleside Primary.
Who's your teacher?
Miss Williamson.
What grade are you in? What grade are you in?
Kindergarten.
What classroom number? Do you read?
No.
Why not?
Because.
Cause why?
Because.